Oreos, milk, ice cube, coffee. I had taste tested and I was like, ugh, gross. It tastes like real cheese. Oh, they're so cute. Welcome back to the vlog. Today is Vlogmas day 16, I believe. I'm just making some lunch. I've been editing away. I vlogged so much of yesterday. The video is almost about to go up. It's exported. I think I just have to put it into YouTube. So I'm going to try now this camembert style. I don't know what the hell this is. I've never tried this non-vegan. So we're gonna try this with our crackers, same crackers we had yesterday, the herb crackers, because I just had one with the other one from yesterday and it was so good. So I'm like, I want to try a different one. Apparently this one is softer and it's more like spreadable, so let's get it. Cheers. Oh yeah, it's really soft and spreadable. Oh my god. It's so creamy. Man, that's so creamy. And so that's so good. Oh my god. So good. Just like a soft, light, creamy. Yeah. I mean, I can't compare it to non-vegan because I've never had it before, but I guess it's similar to, like, you know those Laughing Cow cheeses that came in the triangles that you would, like, you could spread on crackers? What do you think that's accurate?
I didn't like those ones.
Oh. Okay, well that's what I'm thinking. Maybe just a texture. I can't really remember what they taste like, but that's the only thing I can think of as comparable. So I'm gonna eat some more of these because damn, we're just basically just scooping it. I don't know if that's even a good example, but we accidentally tried the normal mature style. Thinking it was the Gouda, and Clay's like, tastes like normal. I'm like, true, it tastes like just a normal good cheddar, but the Gouda is so good. It tastes like real cheese. Like, same with that other one. Like, scarily good. Scarily good. The Gouda is so good. I think it tastes like exactly the same. Although, like I said, I don't know.
It's put me in a Gouda mood.
I don't know when the last time I had if I ever had real Gouda, but it is very creamy and tastes very much like Gouda, in my opinion. So good, and it's softer too. It's a little softer too. So
cheese that tastes better.
I'm gonna make my tofu egg sandwich now. I'm gonna finish making it and eat it before I fill up on cheese and crackers. Y'all, look at what Simone Winter got for me. All my bread. This was my haul. I ordered 2 of each, and these ones got discounted, my multigrain, because they have some air bubbles action going on. So they discounted both of my loaves there, so sweet. And then my white loaf. I'm so excited. And then I got something I've never gotten before. I don't know if I'll try this, but oh, they're so cute. They're little vegan pot pies. So cute. I have decided to film a little a remake of something that I saw someone do on a reel. A video of a drink, making a drink. I'm gonna just go based off of memory. I watched it a couple times just to see the ingredients. They didn't leave any ingredients or anything, so it's pretty straightforward, but I'm going to use different kinds of ingredients. Well, probably just one different kind. But anyways, I'm gonna walk you through how I'm gonna do this, and then I'm going to film it. So first off, a nice glass from our bin. I also dug this out that I used for my baking course that I got from the thrift store. And then I'm also going to use this glass. Yeah, I wish I had more clear glasses that were the same, but it's fine. So for ingredients, I'm gonna need some instant coffee. I'm gonna pre-make that, and I'm just gonna make it, since it's going to be a cold drink, I'm just going to make this in like normal temperature water. I'm gonna need these cookies. I'm gonna make this instant coffee up. I decided to go with like around 2/3 of a cup because I'm just going to use it as a topping, not gonna be the majority of the drink. Okay, I'll give it a taste test to see, make sure it tastes like, you know, there's enough in there. The thing about black coffee is I fucking hate it. So I had taste tested and I was like, ugh, gross. Tastes like dirt. And then I put more in and I tasted it again and I was like, oh my god, it tastes worse. So, okay, this is one of the ingredients. So the inspo is Oreos, milk, ice cubes, and coffee. So think about that. Think about what we're gonna do with that. Okay. Let's try a bite of one of the little cookies. Mmm. Oh my god. Mmm. They taste like, oh my god, what are those things called? They're like Teddy Grahams. Those taste like chocolate Teddy Grahams. Oh my god. Those are so good. Oh my god. Now, for the side, to give our set some character, I'm gonna put some of these, which will just be in this cup to be in the background in the video. So here's all my props except for one, which is the other glass. And then these aren't gonna be in there because it's gonna be vertical. So I have some fake snow. I don't even know if I'm gonna use that, but I'm gonna put my little, that there. This is gonna be somewhere. And then we're gonna have the cup as the main center that we'll be focusing on. And then I'm using our 120D. Okay, so this is kind of my set. Look at the mouse. And then kudos to old Carly. I have a bunch of candy canes and these cute little, this is not even supposed to be a wintry theme, but fuck it, let's do it. Okay, I think I'm finally ready. I like how this looks, so let's do it. Y'all, here's a little behind the scenes of everything from corner to corner of the table. And the milk in there with the cookies got pretty thick. Look at how good that looks. It's just slowly, I was trying to stir it, but the ice cubes are so huge. It looks so good. Oh my god. Can't wait to see how the video turns out. Yeah, I forgot I was gonna put one of these in the cup at the end, but whatever. Oh well. I'm gonna try it now. I'm gonna try, I guess, the bottom part, the milk and cookie. It tastes like milk with like cookies in it, so I'm kind of scared it's not gonna be sweet enough with the coffee. It is decaf, by the way. Okay, let's try it again. Mixed up. I mean, need some sweetener, but I'm gonna add a little creamer to it, and it's gonna be so fucking good. I forgot to end the vlog yesterday. That drink, I ended up adding creamer into it and it was so good. Yeah, I ended up drinking the whole thing after I added some creamer for, I realized because the original video that I was like copying, she was using Oreos, which are way sweeter. The cookies that I used last night were more closer to like a graham style where they're not super sweet, like a cookie. So yeah, if you're gonna make that, maybe I'll show, I don't know, I'm gonna post it as a short probably, so you'll have to just check my shorts for that. But anyways, that's wrap up from yesterday, and I will see you today in this outfit and look. I mean tomorrow in this look for the next video, so I will see you there. Bye.